Can you sit nicely? Sit properly. Ymawjhune. Hey. Okay, before we move on, can you just... Thank you. Excuse me. Ymawjhune. Ymawjhune. You don't smack the puppy like that. You put the puppy on its legs. There. Put it down. Put it. Okay. Put it. Look. Put it down and then you push this. See? Push this. See? That's it. Just push that. And then it does it on its own. Ymawjhune, I don't know how the little puppy still survived. Should have been out of battery and broken already. You treated it so bad. Oh, poor puppy. Is that your puppy? Ymawjhune! Freaking little brat. Such a little brat. No, my puppy. My puppy. My puppy. Don't. Okay, no more. No more. My puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Puppy. Get out of here. Move. My puppy. Hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy. You mean puppy caretaker. You're evil. You abused the little puppy. Not nice. Get away. Be nice to puppy. Oh, my puppy. Oh, my puppy. Oh, my puppy. Oh, my puppy. She likes them. Ymawjhune, you're just bumping it on my phone. Why don't you just kiss the puppy? Okay, enough. Can you get off?